Hey viewers, welcome to Uflyer, your one-stop channel for all kind of IELTS materials and general English. Today we are going to discuss another 10 words which will minimize the use of very and help you sound more like a native English speaker. For those who are new to the channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Please like the video if you find it helpful. Let's start. Enough of boring English, stop using very. Episode 3. For those who had not watched episode 1 and episode 2, link is in the description. Please watch episode 1 to know why these videos are of utmost importance for you to crack any English proficiency test you appear. Again, I will say the golden rule. It's express and make yourself sound like a native. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Very hard to find. You can use rare as it fits perfectly as an alternative. For example, the wedding area was decorated with rare and beautiful flowers. Number 2. Very heavy. You can use leaden. For instance, a leaden weight lay on her heart as she waved him goodbye. Number 3. Very high. You can use soaring instead of the phrase. Like, the hawks are magnificent in flight, soaring and circling for long periods. Number 4. Very hot. You can use sweltering as an alternative. For instance, it didn't take long for the children's ice cream cones to melt under the sweltering summer sun. Number 5. Very huge. You can use colossal. For example, the Great Financial Depression of 2009 brought colossal losses to many companies. Number 6. Very hungry. Starving is a suitable replacement. Like, the homeless man was starving, so I offered him some food. Number 7. Very hurt. You can use battered. For example, police battered down the door of the thieves' hideout. Number 8. Very interesting. You can use captivating to replace the phrase. Like, for instance, the waterfall was so captivating that you can sit and watch it for hours. Number 9. Very lazy. You can use indolent as an appropriate alternative. For instance, he lost his job because he was an indolent employee who did nothing but sleep at his desk all day. Number 10. Very little. You can use tiny as a replacement. Like, a tea bag is full of tiny perforations. That is all in episode 3. Please write your own sentences by commenting down below. We will be ecstatic to get new sentences from your part. Let's recapitulate what we have learnt today. Very hard to find. Rare. Very heavy. Leaden. Very high. Soaring. Very hot. Sweltering. Very huge. Colossal. Very hungry. Starving. Very hurt. Battered. Very interesting. Captivating. Very lazy. Indolent. Very little. Tiny. Hope you all liked the video. We will meet soon with episode 4 of Enough of Boring English, Stop Using Very. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel to get informative videos on all kinds of English proficiency tests. Till then, learn and practice English. Practice makes you perfect.